Hello everyone and welcome to day 33 of our series. Today I wanted to feature Kahoot. Now I know that maybe some of you already know of this great tool to use in learning, but I have had requests from some parents that were not familiar to it. So Kahoot is a web-based platform that allows us to create interactive games that our students, our children, can play with us together on their mobile phones or on their tablets or on their computers. Normally, we would do this in a class environment or in a conference maybe, but at the moment with COVID-19, we can do it by broadcasting the teacher screen via Skype, Zoom, or whatever, and the students from their own home are playing together with us. It's also an exciting place for students to build themselves material. But let's dive in and have a look at what it does. So, at the moment, they have this new section called Self-Study. So, as a good way to start using Kahoot, if you do not as yet want to build your own materials, is also to look at what has been made available. There are collections for several educational subjects, including, of course, about the coronavirus. And you can see the different collections that are available and then play them, test them yourself first. That is always my suggestion. And play them with children or students. So over here, this is the maths section. And as you can see, you will be able to see each different quiz, how many questions it has, and most of the time, they also tell you for which grades they are good for. So as always, try to use age-appropriate materials. But if you want to build your own Kahoots, of course, create a free account, and I'm going to show you very quickly how to do it. So I have logged in already, and I have several of my already existing quizzes. To build one from scratch, click on Create, or to find one and change it, click on Edit. Then you will see this interface of the Kahoot creator. And this interface is the same for every single question. So over here, you will type the title of the question. You will give a time limit for every question and the number of points if you want to award points. Then you will add an image, and the good thing is that Kahoot provides us with images that are free of charge. Write the options and choose the correct ones. You are able to choose more than one which is correct, or just one as you require. Once you are ready, you can click on Preview in order to test it. And in this case, you will preview each and every question. So this is what your students will see when you are actually running it. And you can preview, in fact, like this next one was a true or false question. So you can, once you're happy with it, save it, say done, and that will save it again in your selection. When you get to play it with your students, it's very simple. You press the play button, okay? And you can either do it online, this one, live game together, or else as a sort of homework that they can do it from their own home. So if you want to do it together, over there you will load your Kahoot and it will give you a unique numerical code. Normally we choose the classic mode because classic mode means one mobile per student. And over here, in fact, gives you the instructions that your students should do. They should join on kahoot.it or else on the app on their mobile, enter the PIN, enter the name, and once you see all the names of your players over here, then you can press start and you will see question by question. After each question, you will see who got it right, who got it wrong, and who is in the top 3. At the end, of course, you get to know who wins the game. So I hope that was a quick overview. As always, if you have questions, just send us an email on info@trainingmalta.com, and we hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.